not your mama though. Look, I deal with the pencils, I deal with the books. Snotty noses and crying, I'm shook. If you like me and you need a hand, I know fair, I got the master plan. Coolest teacher in the land, the coolest teacher in the land. You say it's you? Stop playing, I'm coolest teacher in the land. Coolest teacher in the land. Coolest teacher in the land. From the A to the H, from the D to Japan. Coolest teacher in the land. Yo, what's up, y'all? You already know who it is. Chef Frey's back in the kitchen again. Now look, we on quarantine. I'm tired of cooking. I'm tired of cooking for y'all. So today I'm just gonna give you a little snack, okay? But this is like a high-end, high-class snack. It's actually a French snack. Today we're gonna do an olive tapenade. Super easy, super quick. It'll make you look like the confident cook we know you are because you're a confident teacher. Hey, shout out to my church one time. Hope City, love God, love people, change the world. Are you ready? Can't wait to get back together. So what we got today, y'all, I got Kiki Wyatt on vinyl. If you don't know who Kiki Wyatt is, you sleep. You are asleep. The best vocalist living right now. Can't nobody outsing her. Don't at me. So we're gonna get it going. You already know. If you want to hear it, look it up for your own self. All right, so olive tapenade, what do we need? Super easy, just like I told y'all. We have green olives, black olives, capers, black pepper, olive oil, and sugar. And then we have 4 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know y'all didn't want to spend all day seeing me take some skin off the garlic. So I already did 3 of them. Now I'm gonna show y'all how to do the other one. It's real simple. This has the skin. Take your knife, your sharp knife. You can do it, put your back into it, okay? Just take it and boom. Right there, let it crack, boom. And then super easy, just boop, boop. Come off like that. We're gonna put that in our bowl, okay? So we're gonna use all of our black olives. Now I've already drained these, and you can use any olives that you like. So I've used Kalamatas, I've used, but you wanna make sure that they are pitted, which means they don't have the pit in them, okay? So we're gonna add all of our green olives, just right in there. I'm telling y'all, this is quick, it's easy. We're gonna add probably most of our capers. I'm gonna keep them so I can make chicken piccata. If you don't know what that is, just keep watching. Probably add about half of them. Leave the other half for later. We're gonna do some black pepper. Like so. Now, the reason we add a little bit of sugar, from what I learned, is because everything in here is so briny, it's so salty. So we just add the sugar to kind of cut through all those strong flavors and bring a sense of balance, all right? So I'm using about a tablespoon of sugar, like so. I know sugar seems crazy to add to this, but I'm telling y'all, change the game. And then we are going to add about 2-3 tablespoons of olive oil in here. All right, now, all you gotta do now is mix it all together. Now, you don't want it to be like a paste. You want it to still be kind of, you still want to get a lot of those chunks in there. If you have a food processor, that's way better for you to use. I don't have a food processor, so I'm using my good old hand blender. Now, it's very important when you're doing this that if you use a hand blender, just don't stay in one place. Do it little by little by little by little and go around and just mix it all together. So here we go. Woo! This thing jumping. Make it a mesh, Jesus. See, once you get it kind of down, then it's way easier. I'm gonna speed this up so y'all can see the end product. done. Let's go ahead and give that a little taste. Ain't good. So let's plate it. Really simple. I'm telling y'all, like, we done, okay? Actually, before we plate it, I want to add a little bit of acidity. So I have a lemon. I'm just going to squeeze like half of the juice in there. And then I'm going to use a different spoon because I'm not nasty. And just mix it in there. There we go. Y'all, this thing hits. Okay? All right, let's plate. Let's plate. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Here we go. You ready? So y'all, simple. I take a nice heaping thing of the tapenade. Now, normally you would let it sit in the fridge, but I am hungry. So, put it right there in the middle. Take you some, whatever type of crackers you got. I got Ritz crackers. Don't go ahead. Open these bad boys up. Like so. Get you about 3 of them. 3, 4, however many. Like, I could sit here and eat this whole thing right now. No lie. So go ahead, open it up. That's how I was struggling. And then just boom, 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 boom. Hello, we're cute. You see it there? Olive tapenade, super easy, super simple. You can put it in the fridge. It'll taste better the next day. You have it as a nice, good old snack. You are a confident cook because you're a confident teacher. Chef Praise, I'm out. I already told y'all I'm hungry.